Hello students, earlier I had discussed my first component composition. Now I'll discuss the second component report writing, which has got two parts. In A part, I'll discuss film review, book review, speech writing and personal profile. This A part will be of 20 marks and B part personal writing, which is of 10 marks. I start with film review. A film review is the analysis of the film made by one person or collectively expressing the opinion on the movie. Movie can be of Hindi, regional, or English one. Regional means of any language. Malayalam, Marathi, Telugu, etc. Now I have framed a question, which is question number 2A. Write a review of a film you have seen and write an account of it in 300 words based on the following points. The points are name of the film, date and year of release, when the movie had come, what was the date and its year of release, cast of actors, relate the story briefly and comment on it, discuss the performance of the actors critically, comment on other features like direction, music, camera work, director, producer, cinematographer, and genre of the film. Genre of the film means the film can be thriller, action based, animation, comedy, crime, drama, historical, or fantasy. So you can write a impressive film review based on all these points. Now I come to book review. A book review is a form of literary criticism in which a book is merely described or analyzed based on content, style, and merit. Remember, students, your book review should not be from any of the course book, commerce, English, Hindi, or any other book. It should be your original one derived from any other book which is besides your course book. Now, this is a question based on it which I have framed. Write a review of a book you have recently read in approximately 300 words for your school magazine. Make use of the given points against of 20 marks. The points are title of the book, author, publisher, edition and year of copyright. All these points are given just in the just on the first or second page of the book. Cover and illustration, genre. Again, genre here the same thing as it's the book is fiction, non-fiction, thriller, adventurous, or it is romantic or historical. Then we come to the next point: cost of the book, number of pages, plot, characters, insight into some interesting incidents, message if any, language, it's bilingual book or it's written in any one language, then writing style. The writing style means it's narrative, descriptive, what is the style of it, then readership, what is the age group of the readers, what all group of people can read it, then appeal the book holds for you. Now, my third report writing is speech writing. Speech writing is an art of conveying a message to your audience either through oral communication or through other means such as PowerPoint slides. Speech writing has the same function as normal writing. The reasons for writing is to inform, to explain, or to persuade. Now, a question frame. Imagine that you are the head boy or head girl of ABC Public School. You have to deliver a speech at the farewell party organized by your juniors. Prepare a suitable speech for the occasion using the given points. The points are years spent in the school, your early memories, association with juniors, skills acquired, values learned, memorable moments in your school, gratitude to teachers, message for the juniors, how they should be disciplined and take part in all the extracurricular activities besides academics. All this can be the message. Future plans, then Thanksgiving. Once again, you are going to give your thanks to menials, to principal, the teachers and all your juniors. So this is all about your speech writing. Last we come to personal profile. A personal profile is a short description outlining the personal attributes and qualities of an individual. It's an application for admission to a course in college or university, which is an important criteria to assess a student's inclination for a particular course. Personal profile should comprise the following details: personal traits, academic achievements, hobbies and interests, aims and aspirations, plans for the future. Students, already the teachers have made you write about your personal profile in having all these points: your personal traits, academic achievements, hobbies and interests, aims and aspirations, plans for the future. Therefore, I have framed another question. With the help of the notes given below, write a personal profile of your grandfather in about 300 words. Children are very close to their grandfather. That's why this question is going to be very interesting for them. Now, the first point is about 80 years. Your grandfather is about 80 years. Then he's retired, tall, good looking, cheerful, positive, follows strict routine, health conditions, eats moderately, favorite of his grandchildren, and you can add your own details. Now, in the B part, we come to proposal writing. This is question number 2B, and which is of 10 marks. Now, proposal writing is a plan or suggestion, especially a formal one, put forward for consideration by others. Now, I'm going to first discuss the format. First is your main heading, then comes your subheading, introduction, which is of 2 marks, objectives 2 marks, list of measures 4 marks, concluding line 1 mark, linguistic ability 1 mark, total comes to 10 marks. Again, one question I have framed. As a member of the Students' Council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of arranging for a career guidance workshop. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to make the workshop a success. Now, this is a sample question I have given you, which you will be writing in your copy, and you will also come to know how to write a proposal writing. As a member of the Student Council, you have been given a responsibility of arranging for a visit to an elder care center. Write a proposal in about 150 words to make this visit a success. So your main heading is proposal to visit an elder care center. The elderly people of a society are many times neglected. Hence, an attempt to reach out to them and spend some moments with them as a part of community outreach activity. So see here, two purpose has been given. One is to spend some moments with them. Second purpose is it's a part of community outreach activity. So you'll get 2 marks. Now we come to objectives. Here I have outlined seven objectives. You have to write any 2. The first one is to spend a day with the residents is the first point. It can be, the second one also can be to facilitate exchange of thoughts, sharing of feelings or emotions. Then to console their grief-stricken heart. Fourth objective can be to make some moments happy for them. Then to listen to their requirements or necessities. Then to distribute boxes of sweets and shawls among them. To present before them short cultural program. To give them a break from the mundane life and brighten their day. To get their blessings and love, and also share love on them. Now, list of measures. A bus will be arranged to take the students to the venue. An amount of rupees 200 will be collected. 2. Buy the required food items and clothes to be given to them. One of the classrooms, that is conference room, will be chosen where the meeting for this visit will be conducted. The number of students who would be going will be decided. And fifth measure I have written is the food items and clothes will be bought. So any of the 4 measures you have to write. Now the concluding line is, hope this proposal will be accepted as this visit would be an enjoyable experience for the residents and enriching experience for the students. That carries 1 mark and 1 mark for linguistic ability. So total is 10 marks. So students, 4 topics are discussed in A part and proposal writing, where I have given you the sample question also. So I have explained you about composition and report writing and given assignments on them. Do it sincerely in your 11th class note copy. Very soon I will be coming back with grammar rules and comprehension passages and exercises based on them. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.